All right, buckle up, everyone, because this week in crypto,
Yeah.
let's just say it's been a wild ride.
Absolutely wild. It's like everything's happening at
Yeah,
once.
I've got Bitcoin going bananas,
Politicians suddenly super into crypto.
even an actual treasure hunt. Can you believe that?
Uh,
With real crypto as the prize.
Crazy, right? So much to unpack.
Exactly. So that's what we're doing today.
Deep dive time.
We're going deep, folks, into the stories everyone's talking about.
Trying to figure out what's real, what's hype, and where this crazy train is headed.
We've got reports from all over, the Wall Street Journal, the New York Post.
The Times, even the Sun. Got a little treasure hunt action there.
The goal here isn't just to tell you what happened. It's to understand why it matters.
And what it might mean for the future of crypto, for all of us, really.
Because, honestly, this feels like a turning point.
It does, doesn't it? Okay, so first up, the big one. Bitcoin.
Oh, yeah, everybody's watching that price.
Investors.com is predicting it could hit $200,000 by 2025.
200K. Wow. I mean, is that even possible?
Yeah.
Is this another one of those Bitcoin bubbles?
Well, it's definitely more complicated than just a bubble this time.
Is it? How so?
Well, think about the timing. This surge happened right after SEC Chair Gary Gensler announced he's resigning.
Oh, yeah, I saw that, but what's the connection?
Well, Gensler was pretty tough on crypto, especially Bitcoin ETFs. He wasn't a fan.
Right, so him leaving.
It's like this big roadblock for institutional investors just disappears.
So it's not just, hype driving the price up.
There's real regulatory change happening, and that's got investors excited.
Okay, that makes sense. But Bitcoin has always been so up and down, right?
Volatile, yeah, notoriously so.
Exactly. So how can we tell if this time it's different, if this momentum will actually last?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
It really is.
I mean, no one can predict the future, but the sheer amount of institutional investment pouring into Bitcoin now,
You're saying it's different this time.
it feels different. It suggests a level of confidence we haven't seen before.
Like these big players, they're not just speculating anymore.
They're starting to see Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class, like gold or real estate.
Wow. Okay, so maybe $200,000 isn't so crazy after all.
We'll have to wait and see, but it's definitely an exciting time to be watching Bitcoin.
Speaking of exciting,
Yeah.
you're not going to believe this next story.
Oh boy, what is it now?
Donald Trump is back in the news, and guess what? It's about crypto.
Trump and crypto. That's not something I expected to hear today.
Right, so the Times is reporting that he wants to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the planet.
Wow, that's a bold statement.
Yeah, he even talked about creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve, like the government holding Bitcoin.
Interesting. But Disney used to be pretty skeptical of Bitcoin.
Yeah, he did, which is why this is such a big deal. It's a complete turnaround for him.
A complete 180. So what do you think's behind this change of heart?
Who knows, but a strategic Bitcoin reserve, if that actually happened.
That would be huge. It would signal to the entire world that the U.S. government considers Bitcoin a serious asset.
A sign of legitimacy, like you were saying earlier.
Exactly. And on top of that, he's proposing all these pro-crypto policies.
So we could be looking at major regulatory change in the U.S. if he gets his way.
And not just in the U.S. Think about the global impact other countries might have to follow suit.
To stay competitive, right?
Exactly. So this could trigger a global crypto race with everyone trying to attract crypto businesses and investment.
Wow. Okay, that's a lot to process, and we're not even done yet.
Hit me with the next one. I'm ready.
All right, this one's a head-scratcher.
Oh.
The New York Post is reporting that Trump Media and Technology Group is acquiring Bakkt.
Bakkt. The crypto firm.
Yeah, and here's the thing. Bakkt hasn't exactly been killing it lately.
Struggling a bit, yeah.
So why would Trump's company want to buy them?
It is a surprising move, especially considering Bakkt market cap was over $150 million at one point.
That's not chump change. So what do you think's going on here?
Well, we have to remember Trump's a big crypto advocate now, right? So maybe he sees this as a way to, put his money where his mouth is.
To actually support the crypto industry.
Exactly. Plus, if his pro-crypto policies become reality, Bakkt could really benefit.
So it's a gamble, but a calculated one, maybe?
High risk, high reward, very much in line with Trump style.
Okay, that's enough serious business for now. Let's talk about something fun.
Fun. In the crypto world. You sure?
Oh yeah, this one's a good one. Are you ready for a treasure hunt?
A treasure hunt? Like with pirates and buried chests?
Sort of, but with Bitcoin. This guy, John Collins Black, he's a crypto investor.
Okay.
He hid $2 million worth of crypto and collectibles all over the U.S.
Wait, seriously?
Seriously. And he put clues in his book, there's a treasure inside.
So you gotta buy the book to find the treasure. That's clever.
It is. people are finding Casacious Bitcoins, even a rare Charizard Pokemon card.
Wow. That's actually pretty awesome.
Right. It's like the perfect blend of crypto culture and real-world adventure.
It's like gamified investing. It's so creative.
And it shows that sense of community, that playfulness that makes the crypto world so unique.
I love it. See, crypto can be fun.
Absolutely. Okay, back to the serious stuff for a minute.
Yeah.
We got another big company making a big bet on Bitcoin.
Oh, yeah. Who is it this time?
MicroStrategy. They're using their stock price to back a $3 billion investment in Bitcoin.
$3 billion. That's a lot of faith in Bitcoin.
It is. They're doing it through something called zero-interest convertible notes. It's a little complicated.
Basically, it lets them leverage their stock to buy even more Bitcoin.
So are they geniuses or are they crazy?
Well, MicroStrategy has been bullish on Bitcoin for a long time. They've been buying it up steadily.
So this is just the next level for them.
Yeah, it's a bold move, but it shows how confident they are in Bitcoin's long-term value.
I guess if you believe it's the future of money, why not go all in?
Exactly, though it's definitely a risky play for a publicly traded company.
All right, last story for today, and this one's a little mind-bending.
Bring it on. My brain's warmed up now.
Okay, so Barry Silbert, he's a big name in crypto.
Yeah, I know Barry.
He's launching a new company called Yuma, and it's a decentralized AI company.
Decentralized AI? What does that even mean?
So basically, the AI algorithms run on a blockchain, like Bitcoin's blockchain.
Interesting. So what's the advantage of that?
It makes the AI more transparent, more secure, and accessible to everyone.
Ah, I see. It's like taking the power away from big tech companies and giving it to the people.
Exactly. And they're funding it on the Bittenser network using its TAO token.
So it's a whole ecosystem with its own token. Wow.
Yeah, and the way it works is developers get rewarded with TAO tokens for contributing to the AI development.
So it's like incentivizing people to build this decentralized AI network. That's pretty cool.
It is. It's like a whole new way of thinking about how AI can be developed and funded.
This is getting me excited. I can see the potential here.
Me too. It feels like we're on the verge of something really big.
So much potential, so many possibilities, and it's all happening so fast.
Yeah, this week has been absolutely insane, hasn't it?
Insane in a good way, though, right?
Definitely in a good way. Bitcoin soaring, politicians getting into the game.
Treasure hunts, decentralized AI. It's like crypto is finally breaking into the mainstream.
Exactly. It's not just this niche thing anymore. It's becoming part of everything.
And the question is, are you ready for it?
What do you think, folks? Is this just the beginning? Where do we go from here?
Let us know your thoughts. What stories got you excited this week?
We'd love to hear from you, and join us next week for another deep dive into the ever-evolving world of crypto.
Because this ride, it's just getting started.
You got that right. See you next time.
See you then.